Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning how to setting up the environment for coding Java. So first of all we need two things. First is IDE and the second thing is the compiler. So what is the IDE? The IDE is a simple editor where we write our code and execute our code and edit our code. And the second thing, that is compiler. So what is the compiler? The compiler is a machine which is used to translate our code into 0-1 form to make it understandable for the computer. So let's go and download both softwares. So here write Eclipse. Here is the click on the first link, and here you are able to download the IDE in the 32-bit and 64-bit. I have already downloaded this software, and now what we need to do, just download the compiler. Here we have to write JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Click on first link, and here we have to click on this, and here you are able to download the JDK that is compatible with your operating system. I have already downloaded this compiler, and now here is the folder. And first of all, what you need to do, just double click on it and click on the next, and you can easily install the JDK, and then click on this file and extract this file. And I have already extracted this file. Here is the file Eclipse, and you don't need to install the Eclipse because you can directly run the Eclipse. Here what you need to do, just double click on it and the Eclipse is open. And when you first time open the Eclipse, so it look like this. Here is the welcome notification, and close it. And here is the workspace area where you can write the code and create your project. So I am a very responsive teacher. If you have any problem in my lectures, so kindly add the discussion in course. I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video.